I'll have you let you guess why we're not doing that.
Turn right. My voice is the only one you hear. In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit. The masses continue. We branch away. At the roundabout, take the first exit. This is the path to power.
The Jetta was parked and Turbo was inside the truck stop. I wanted to say hi, but he made a exit stage left between the rows. So that I do not like.
Hello people, I need to provide some context here. I like meeting people, while I do admit I'm a little bit shy. I love creating memories, so for me meeting you guys is a great memory, but there are some sort of social, let's call them norms, that we should all have knowledge of, or have some common decency. So this particular gentleman, his nickname is Turbo. He's from Regina or somewhere around. If you look at Highway Encounters number 1, that's the first time we have met him. Same truck stop. At the first meeting, it was already awkward because as I engaged with him, and you can see in the video, I was speaking with him when he just left. I didn't share this because I didn't find it relevant. I said, okay, that's his interaction, all good, all fine. But if I'm speaking with you and you just turn left and go to your car without saying anything and leaving me mid-sentence, it's a little bit awkward in my book, but what the fuck do I know? So that was the first meeting. Second one, I was passing through Regina to Saskatoon, and I saw a car following me for some kilometers. Lo and behold, it was the same guy, and I told him, hey, the fact that you're following me for so many kilometers is not okay. Not only that you did not say anything, you just put me in an awkward position, because I'm like, who's this car behind me? Why is behind me? I slowed down, I accelerated, what's going on? So we passed that. I told him, hey, if you want to meet, let's meet at a truck stop or drink tea, something, but don't do that again. Again, I cannot tell people what to do in real life because I'm nobody, but please, yeah, don't engage like that. That was my intention, to say that. Then, same road, Regina, bypass, he comes and quote unquote greets me another time with his second car. I said, Turbo, that is not okay, and it just don't do it. It's not nice. And now we come to this scenario. I wanted to sleep for a little bit, and I decided to stop for 1 hour and a bit. I already discussed he has two nicknames. One is Turbo, the other I forgot. And I already saw the other name, which when he has the other name, it means that he's in the car moving. And I thought nothing of it. I said, okay, I don't care. So, I went into the truck stop, and as I said in the video, we met almost face to face. And as I was preparing to, I was clearly displeased, but I was preparing to say hello, hey, what's up, what are you doing at 4 a.m. in a truck stop, which is not in your way. as he said in multiple streams, this truck stop, he has to come and go back. He's not in his regular way for whatever, yeah. But he made the exit stage left towards within the truck stop rows without acknowledging me. So that was weird. So I'm not gonna chase a guy within the rows to say hello. So I was like, okay, fuck it, it's weird. I go do my thing. I went to the washroom, and I already was pissed by this, let's call it, interaction. So I started driving. Later, I found out what he did, that he came to the truck, made the shh sound, did a burpee, and left the other side. Again, the awkwardness is, okay, if you come do a burpee, because I do burpees for donations, please do not donate. It's kind of funny. I want to see that, but then come to the same side and meet me and say, hey Bogdan, I did a burpee or whatever, you'll see what I did on the video. It's a funny thing. I get it. I want to get it. But then when you go on the other side and avoid me, and then you watch me from the end, like the end of the building as I leave, that's awkward. In my book. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm the social awkward. I do not know. But I didn't like this. This, again, I don't understand why would you guys want to meet me. I'm just a regular nobody trucker, right? I'm not a star. I'm not doing anything special. I'm not an athlete. I'm not a singer. I'm just a trucker. I'm just doing the thing that I love. So when people want to meet me, it's like, why? I'm a bad person. I'm not good, and I'm just doing the regular job. I'm not special to create a memory. But who am I to decide what you guys want to do? So for whatever reason you decide that you guys want to meet, I have no problem. We can meet. And we had right there Christy from Calgary, the person from Calgary again that I forgot, I'm sorry, Brad. So I have met and had pleasant interactions with people. So this clearly can be done. But whatever this video is, please don't do this in the future. And I understand that these are the perks of being a YouTuber. I can get stream sniped and have these moments which are not great. I understand that, and I accept that is a, let's call it, a risk of doing what I do. But because I'm, let's call it, a religious person, and I want to put my best foot forward always, I try to think the best in people at the beginning, like, hey, let's meet, let's do something. And that's just me. Maybe I'm stupid, fair, but yeah. Anyway, this was another interaction with the viewers.
Who that? This is Bandit talking.
Where are you, you son of a bitch?